Yesterday I showed you the XiaoML Kit, and here it is again. Wi-Fi antenna, camera, micro SD card, microphone, IMU for motion, and this cool little OLED screen. So yesterday I had it so that when you touch the touch sensitive sides, it took a picture and it gave you a count. Well, now on the OLED screen, I've got it showing just a little bit of the picture, but it is recording this picture on a micro SD card, so we can go through and have a look at them. Anyway, just some software I'm throwing on this thing to help with my course. So here are the pictures. Let's just have a quick look. They are only 320 by 240, but that's not bad quality there. Okay, you can zoom in, have a look at it. It's got a full range of color, and those are the pictures I took while videoing this. The XML kit can do machine learning. The SP32S3 has a dual core, and it's a really powerful thing to have.